Welcome to everyone. This is Vinod Punit Vekka, your English teacher. Today we are going to see the poetry Dust of Snow. Dust of Snow is a small poem. It has 8 lines and 2 stanzas. There are 4 lines in each stanza. This poetry is composed by Robert Frost. He was a famous American poet born in San Francisco on March 26, 1874. The poet talks about the winter day. Crow is symbol of bad luck and hemlock tree is also a symbol of bad luck because it is a poisonous and it has bad fragrance. In this poem, the poet does not mention about beautiful trees like oak, maple, pine, mango, teak, guava and other trees. On the other hand, the poet does not mention about beautiful birds such as nightingale, parrot, pigeon, dove, robin hood, sparrow, cuckoo, myna and other birds. Because the poet believes that every aspect of life is beautiful. He sees some positivity in negative things also. Life is full of negativity, but sometimes in that negativity there is a ray of positivity or goodness. In the poem Dust of Snow, the snow dust is a symbol of happiness, and this happiness is caused by or comes from hemlock tree and crow, as they are considered negative things. So these are simple natural happenings in which the poet finds to utilize his each day of life meaningfully and happily. Let us read the first stanza. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from the hemlock tree. In the first stanza, the poet describes about simple daily natural happenings. It is a winter season and snow is falling. Branches of trees are covered by snowflakes or snow dust. The poet is sad and wandering under the trees. Suddenly a crow comes and shakes the branches of hemlock tree, and dust of snow falls on the poet from the hemlock tree, which is known as a bad tree for its poison and foul fragrance. And crow is also considered as a bad bird. These two things are causing snowfall on the poet because crow shook the tree and snow falls upon the poet. Let us see in the second stanza how, due to snowfall, the poet's life changes and what happens to the poet. Let us read the second stanza. Has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of the day I had rued. In the second stanza, we see snowflake or a small particle of snow changes the mental state or mood of poet. Thus, this small incident teaches the poet to forget about his gloomy and unhappy past life. Snowfall changes the life of poet and gladdens his heart, and he realizes that fall of snow has saved his days from being unhappy and gloomy. Now the poet does not want to waste his life for unhappy things. So the poet has a strong desire to live his life again happily and forget all the painful past events. Thus we see in negative aspect the poet sees some sort of goodness or positive aspect. Please subscribe, comment and give your suggestion or feedback for my improvement. Thank you very much.